group, so that's good for you. Next one is, I have an example here. Look at Mr. Rilingan. He's so calm and feel like so alive. And for sure, he can deliver his speech very well because he packed some cigarettes before he went upstairs. And lastly, I asked my friend on this. I asked him to, man, why are you popping cigarettes? He answered me that, Tol, it reminds me on how to breathe. And he said to me that cigarette smoking reminds him on how to breathe. And I was amazed and I realized that, oh, true. It reminds me on how to breathe. My conclusion here is, if smoking is a habit that is hard to break and can cause some illness, but if you smoke at the right place, the right time, and at the right situation, you're taking yourself to a good way or good life living. Thank you. Ma'am, I have so what's the benefits of non-smoking? First, the mental health. Second, the finance. The third the social. So, for my point is, better if you're a non-smoker, you live long life, right? If you are a smoker, your life being shorter. Okay.
So,
in finance, you have a higher chance of better financial because you save lots of money. Okay. So, social. If you're not trying to be socialized to others because you are not very bad smell, like you smell like a smell of smoke.